See, money make me feel good. People don't impress me. Shawty, I'm a god with a stroke. It's a blessing. Counted the dead, what? Yeah, counted the dead, what? Yeah.
G'day. We're here at the beach today.
Would you say it was the beach?
Fuck. We're here at the ocean. Cardwell, actually, it's called, and we're doing this fucking all up underneath there. We're sheeting it with iron, so we just got to batten it out first. Right now, we just don't want to walk up the steps with all our ceiling battens, so we're just seeing how high this crane can go.
Let's flip that onto this.
Pack ceiling battens up on the second story. We've got all the ceiling battens on, all of them except for this outer bay, but we don't have the right scaffolding to do that today, so that's gonna have to be on Monday. Anyway, I'll probably just fucking fast forward to Monday.
You look so good in that nightgown, girl. Freckles on your face, let me kiss each one. Fingers on your waist, let me tiptoe up spine, yeah. Keep it low key with your natural curls. Up and out of space when I make you deja vu, like we done this once, twice, yeah, yeah. You're beautiful. Something like these acid dreams, acid dreams.
What are you doing, you fucking ice addict? Put like 8 sheets of iron up, and best thing about this place is we're working just out there and we get to stay in here. I'll give a quick tour. Toilet, lounge room, bed 1, shower, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, I don't know where the lights are, kitchen, dining room, pool, the ocean. Yeah, that's the tour. Probably skip to tomorrow.
Pop star chick, high key boring. Takes my clothes and calls me horny. Takes my rose, I think she corny. Get your money, girl, don't worry. Says I'm garbage, just ignores me. Wish my shit was more top 40. Wants my commas, wait for karma. Got that ass just like no.
The way you look tonight, it's like I'm gliding on a day trip. And I feel so alive, it's like my soul just needed maintenance. Cause the way you make me feel.
Got all of the iron up except for one sheet down there. We were short just that little tiny bit, which sucks, so we've got to come all the way back down here. It's a 2-hour drive both ways. I didn't film much of it because, you know, obviously it's raining and the water blows right in this place, and there was nowhere for me to really set this camera up. I was just going through my old footage right now on my laptop, and I found this one clip of my friend Riley fly kicking a fridge. Fuck, it's so cold this morning. My lens is all fogged up inside. It's fucked. It's like 7 degrees. Fucking hands are sore. I hate it. It's not even warm in here. Hello, how's it going? Here we are, a beautiful range view today. And today I'm just taking off a few stair treads and I'm gonna be sanding them up and making them look pretty again. Follow me. Very nice views out here. So these are our stair treads here. And as you can see, they're a little bit worn. Yeah, these old ones are a bit worn. They're held in with coat screws from underneath. And some of them are a little bit loose, so we're replacing them with cup head bolts.
Yeah, well this mad world it made me crazy. Might just turn around to 180. I ain't politicking, I ain't kissing no babies. The devil on my doorstep being so shady. Don't trip, we don't gotta let him in. Don't trip. Yeah. I let it go, but I never go with it. Yeah, okay, cool as fall weather. Fuck the bullshit, I'm here to make it all better with a little music for you. I don't do enough for you. Without you, it's the color blue. Oh, don't trip. I was in the city, they was talking that shit. Had the homies with me, all of a sudden they split. We ain't even worried, we just laughing, that's rich. You know how it goes, it ain't broke, don't fix. Hey, one of these days we'll all get by. Don't be afraid, don't Think I lost my mind. Reality so hard to find. When the devil try to call your line, but shit, I always shine. Even when it like them. No, I ain't God, but I'm feeling just like him. Oh, don't trip.
We're all done with the steps. Well, I am, because I did them all. Just hosed them off, because there was little metal shavings.
It's 5:15.
It's 5:15. This driveway is getting painted tomorrow. We've got a few other little fun things.
Edging.
Do you reckon I should put it in this episode or the next one?
This one.
Let go, life does get tough. No need to stress, hold you back too much. Let's go, I heard they found a solution. Where will you be for the revolution?